How to use Microsoft Math Solver. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can use the Microsoft Math Solver. So as you can see, guys, if you don't have the application on your phone, please just go ahead and install it. Just go to the App Store. When you go to the App Store, go ahead and search for the name of the application, Microsoft. As you can see, guys, here's the Microsoft Math Solver application. So just go ahead and install it. If you have it, just go ahead and open. If you open, you're going to be seeing where it says scan, guys. As you can see here, where it's showing scan. This is where you can scan. Go ahead and scan a picture of a mathematical question for it to go ahead and solve. So for example, I'm going to be showing you guys example here. I'll be showing you guys an example here. As you can see, guys, here's an example of mathematical problems that the Math Solver can go ahead and solve for you. So once you put your camera on it and scan it, for example, when you scan, let's say you scan something like this, it's going to provide us with the solution. Aside from the solution, it's going to provide similar problems so that you can go ahead and test. They will be showing you videos from YouTube channels that you can use or can watch to increase your knowledge and the related concepts. Similarly, you'll be getting as much as you want. So as you can see, guys, you can go ahead and share as well. So click on share and share it to your friends. So this is one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is to go ahead and draw. So you can go ahead and draw. You can go ahead and draw what you want it to solve. So for example, if I'm drawing log 10 base 10, my answer should be 1. So as you can see, log 10 base 10 is equals to 1. So you can see the solution showing here. So you can go ahead and look at it. You can go ahead and see similar problems to learn more. So you can go ahead and play around with it, guys. This is the best mathematical solver out there, guys. This application will teach you, will show you the solution, and also show you there are also quizzes for you to take when you go through all these materials provided for you. Another thing you can do is just go ahead and type in the question, and this is powered to solve complex mathematical problems. So go ahead and give it any kind of mathematical problem you can think of, be it further mathematics or any kind of other mathematics is going to help you solve it. So another cool feature of this is, as you can see, guys, there are examples here you can go ahead and look through. Another cool feature of this is the fact that it solves any kind of mathematical problem. It's going to provide you with materials to learn more. So another thing about this application that you need to know is the gaming section, where you can go ahead and play games. These are mathematical games that will help increase your maths knowledge. So as you can see, there are a lot of games you can go ahead and try, guys. So this is all you need to know about Microsoft Math Solver. And another thing you can do is go ahead and install the application on your laptop or system if you want it on a broader screen. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.